Keeping up with the grams. Okay, today's video hey guys, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel before you do anything else, and of course hit the bell, because just subscribing to my channel isn't enough. Okay, got it? Cool. I'm actually going to make breakfast tacos, so yeah, definitely stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and get started on this breakfast tacos. Okay, so I put the chicken in, and I like to put little slits in the chicken just so that it cooks all the way through. Okay, so I'm flipping the chicken over now to get the other side cooking. And I also just puncture holes in this side again as well, so that it can cook fully through. So juicy! Juicy! I got that song stuck in my head now. Okay, so I'm about to get these eggs ready. Can't wait till you guys see the final, because these are amazing.
We started eating these at first watch, and they're just so freaking good. So good.
Okay, so I'm whipping these eggs to get ready to scramble them for the breakfast tacos. So next step is to go ahead and scramble the eggs. Okay guys, so the chicken is done. I'm going to put this like taco skillet sauce in, just for a little bit more flavor. Just stirring it up here. So the next step that I want to take is just cooking the tortilla a little bit. Basically what you do is you put the tortilla in an ungreased pan. So you put the tortilla in an ungreased pan, 10 seconds on the first side and then 5 seconds on the other side. So that's the first one. So I'm just filling them up with chicken. Okay, so now I'm going to add the eggs, tomatoes, little onions, and top it off with some avocado. Same thing for each one of them. Sprinkle some cheese up there as well. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment any questions you may have below, and I really hope you try this recipe. Until next time, thanks for watching.
You dancing.
Hey.